Myself, Mrs. ROSALINE NIRMALA, Department of Physical Science, Dr. SNS College of Education. As now we are going for a teaching practice, so in this video we are going to see about what is lesson plan. What is lesson plan? So, lesson plan, the meaning of lesson plan is nothing but it is a plan for a particular period. It is a plan for the particular period. So what you are going to take in a particular period, that content you are writing a lesson plan for a particular period. Okay. So this lesson plan gives you the idea of the, first of all, you must have the thorough knowledge of the content. So before writing the lesson plan, you go through the lessons well. Then you are preparing how much part you are going to finish that particular part, particular period. So for that content, we are preparing the lesson plan also. Okay. So first you are go through the lessons and you are dividing the lesson, how much period that is wanted. That also we can call as a unit plan. So unit plan is nothing but it is a plan for the entire lesson. Okay. So in this video we are going to see about only the lesson plan. So lesson plan preparing for a particular period. Okay. So what are the teaching aids to be prepared and what are the necessary activities to be done? So everything we are going to see about in the lesson plan. Okay. So lesson plan is nothing but it is a plan for particular period. Lesson plan. Importance of the lesson plan. So, lesson plan gives you the blueprint of the entire content what you are going to teach in a particular period. Okay, and also it gives you what are the resources required. Not only the teaching is, suppose if you want to do any PPT presentation nowadays, because it is based on the technology based. So if you need any resources regarding that also, it gives that lesson plan gives you an idea. Then reference books also. What are the books to be referred for the content to teach in a particular period also. So as a teacher trainee, you are going to prepare a lesson plan for your teaching practice. So as before entering into the class, you go through the lesson very well and you prepare in the plan for that one. And also it gives you the what are the teaching aids, whether you need a dummy model or working model or improvised model or 3D model. So it gives you the idea of the preparation of the teaching aids also. Then what are the reference books also. And also if you are a science or mathematics students, if you need any practical oriented activities, so you can have a demo of that particular practical work. So that also this lesson plan gives you an idea of that laboratory work also, and also any other co-curricular activities to be done related to that particular lesson plan. That also the lesson plan gives you the idea of that co-curricular activities also. Because if you need, suppose you are having any preparation work, for example soap industry like that, so you can also bring the children to any laboratory which is having the production of the soap factory also, if it is available, if you have a time also. So it gives you an idea of the extracurricular activities also. And also you have to frame the instructional objectives of that particular lesson plan also, isn't it? So that instructional objectives can be, that is a specific instructional objective gives you the behavioral outcome of the students. Behavioral specific objectives. So through the specific objectives, you can measure the students' behavioral outcome also, because you are specifically asking, explain and calculate and solve. So the verbal from the Bloom's taxonomy, you you are preparing the instructional objectives also. You are preparing the instructional objectives and also you are checking the previous knowledge of the learners. So the lesson plan gives you so many ideas in order to take a class. Before entering to the class, so the lesson plan gives a proper content knowledge also, and also gives a more idea about the particular content, what are the resources that you are getting. So lesson plan is very, very important for each